Okay, unboxing time. So I bought some 3D printed Nurgle Toads, or however you want to call them. I checked the fourth wall ones, and although I like them quite a lot, I think that 70 or 60 pounds for 3 resin models from fourth wall, it's a bit too much. So I found this on the internet, and there's a guy who printed them. Contacted him, and he even includes the bases and primes them, which is a pretty good deal. I paid for these 12 euros, so not too shabby. What is that? Okay. So there's 3 packages. Then I asked for square bases because I think I will use them. These are 3D printed. Nothing fancy about it. Yes, a base for fantasy or something like that. Okay, so this is the card of the guy. I will ask him if I can put his contact here in case anyone wants to talk to him. I heard these are pretty good, but this is the first time I buy from him. The packaging is quite good, to be honest. Ooh, holy mackerel! Look, this is actually pretty thoughtful. They look really, really good. I don't know if you see them. These are really, really good. It's quite heavy, which I think means that the resin is pretty good. Well, I don't like the model. Don't judge the model. They're supposed to be ugly, but look at the quality.
What is that?
It's okay, I will explain to you later.
¿Es una masa de caca?
It's a little, yeah, it's a bit of a poop mass. Yeah, why not? This is the second one. This is broken, but the model was broken, so it's not that he messed up. They're a bit sticky, yeah, sure. But I suppose they still be sticky, a bit sticky. To be honest, I'm regretting not buying more from him, because he had a lot of stuff that is pretty cool. This is the last one, which is very similar to the previous 2 ones. It has an open mouth, and I think that over here is a tongue that is sticking out of his mouth. I will clean them with some soap. Although he said these are prime, I had to ask him again. And this is the tongue. So come over here or something. I don't know if I'm doing, yeah. But the resin is pretty good. There's no. One good thing is that there's no mold lines, obviously. I'm really surprised. They look fantastic. 12 euros for this. And I like the models much more than the Fourth World ones, to be honest. And if you want to see a comparison with, these are Perry's metal figures from the Agincourt line. What is he doing? Oh, okay. Well, I only have one hand to do this and another to do that. I have someone here helping me. So just so you see the comparison, these are pretty big, to be honest. Although Perry's are smaller than your current GW miniatures, these are still pretty good. So that's all. I'm gonna ask the guy if I can link his description. Okay, bye.